Oh, crap.
That's what I did. You do this.
Okay, hopefully that'll stay. So,
But can you do this?
on our way to drop them off. You guys are really close now. I don't know if I like that.
You know
But,
how I did it?
7-Eleven right now. I literally have 20 minutes to get to work, but
Okay.
I don't work too far from work. Kids are all set and ready to go. Couldn't find my chapstick, but whatever.
Just switch it around.
Yeah, I'm so excited for them to see what they got. Santa. Sophia's getting her hair done today because she's going to her grandma's house on Friday. And we want to make sure she looks old, pretty, full.
I get to see Kiki.
Yeah, and she gets to see her other dog.
And I get to see Papa.
And Marcella's
That's
going with
fair.
his
He has a lot of
grandpa
dogs.
tomorrow
Mommy,
after we open presents
it's
again.
not fair because he has 3 dogs and he has 1 cat. But I have 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs. Because one is Bowie. I have 3 dogs, now I lost another one.
But you only had 2.
No, yeah, I only have 2 because Melissa, we left her house and we had another dog named.
Yeah,
So now I only have 2. Marcel has 3. Oh, you have 3!
So, yeah, that's what's going on right now. As soon as I get to work, I'm getting some coffee because I
3 plus 1?
don't go to work this early. But because the kids' daycare is closed early, then I'm going into work early. And I can't work tomorrow because they're closed completely. So I'm working Christmas Eve.
4.
And I have to go to the grocery store too after work and get some
Will you put
cookies
it
for
together?
Santa. And a couple things that I'm going to cook for Christmas breakfast tomorrow.
They're doing dog. Guess what? Know how many that makes?
We are just going to get them
4.
to school.
You have 4 dogs. You're almost to 5.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, your girl is officially off of work for a day. For a whole day. So I just got gas. Now I'm about to run up to the Dollar Tree and grab some boxes for the kids' presents so I can wrap them tonight before bed. And then I'm gonna go home and clean because my mother is coming over. But she doesn't get off work till 12:30, but that's whatever. I plan on going to bed when I'm done wrapping gifts at whatever time that may be. Yeah. It's it right now. So exciting. So many things going on, happening. I don't know how to contain my joy for it. Work was busy. If I could do like a vlog on behind the scenes of Starbucks, I totally would. Because today was just ridiculous. It was really bad. There's like nobody at the daycare. Oh yeah, they close at 3 o'clock. Okay. So I literally have 2 hours or less to do this. I did stay there for a couple minutes to study because I needed to. Because I'm trying to finish this one module by I wish I could finish it by tomorrow, but I know I won't be able to, but it's wishful thinking. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and drive, go get boxes, and then the next time you see me, I will have the kids. So we are getting cookies for Santa right now. Marcel's being crazy. And since I'm not cooking dinner tonight, we're gonna go ahead and get some chicken on the bone. Some chicken on the bone.
That's what I really wanted. Chicken in the butt. Chop mommy in the butt. Chop mommy in the butt.
home now, and I have to clean. Living room is a mess. I've been letting the kids party and chilling in here. They're fighting over the bathroom right now. Another reason why we're trying to move is because there's only one bathroom in this apartment, and it's clear that we need two. Yeah, but we had an accident too while he was. So yeah, that's what's currently going on right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna start cleaning up this glorious mess, and you will see this apartment transform in 3. This is 3. 3, 2, 1. And the living room is semi-clean. I'm happy. I had to clean the couch. Well, where's the couch? I had to clean the couch. The table. Yes, there's a trash bag hanging on my door. TV and all that stuff is clean. And now it's just mostly time for the kitchen, which is relatively clean. I just have a few things to do. Mop the floor and then take out the rest of the trash. And that's it for this room. I need to take this makeup off because it's starting to make me look paler and paler throughout the day because the bronzer is kind of going away. But I'll take it off at the end of the night. So yeah, that's it for now. I have to take this AC unit out of the window because it looks ghetto as hell and it's not cold anymore. I mean, it's not hot anymore. So I need to get that out the window. And that's it. It looks so clean. Oh, and I have to mop the floor too. And then get those couple of things. Where is it? Right here off the bookshelf, the pillow. And then a couple of things with the kids. And then my camera sitting over there chilling. So yeah, that's it for the living room. Because I'm going to need ample space when wrapping presents. Yeah, so right now kids are in their room. Thank the Lord. They're watching TV. They haven't harassed me too much. But they are watching Five Nights at Freddy and eating chicken. So yeah, good times for them. So I am going to finish cleaning when you guys see me again. The whole house. The whole house, y'all. Will be clean. I promise you. Okay, you guys. Literally 17 hours later. I'm just kidding. But it's been 2 hours pretty much since I vlogged last, saying that I was going to clean up the rest of the house. The rest of the house is clean. It's clean, y'all. Like, for what I could do, my room is clean. I'm happy. I'm having a nice glass of wine now. Yep, with the tag still on the bottom and all. Yeah. Room is fairly clean. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this situation right here. Room is clean. Closet is not clean. Come on, Bowie. Bowie has been walked. All the trash has been taken out. All the floors have been mopped. Bathroom is clean. I guess this is like kind of like my little apartment tour too, since I never did one. But bathroom is clean. Kids' room. I have to get Marcel's blankets and sheets. They are watching Five Nights at Freddy and they were eating some chicken. But for the most part, nothing. Yeah. No, we gotta get his sheets and stuff cleaned. So I think Nana's bringing them.
Why needs his sheets?
He needs his sheets. No.
Why?
Because he can't just sleep on a bare bed. Okay. And then Marcella's holding a big bag. Bedroom. Living room is clean, like I showed you guys before. Kitchen is clean. No dishes. Everything is off the counter. Bowie's little area is clean. And then the dining room table, which we don't really sit at, but yeah, it's there for show. So yeah, house is clean. And that's so ugly. I need to get that stuff out the window. House is clean. House is clean. House is clean. House is clean. Marcel hurt his tooth and it's coming out. So, are you excited for Christmas? Yeah, are you excited to see all the presents that Santa got you? Have you been a good boy or a bad boy? We'll see. Tootie, are you ready for Christmas?
Yeah.
Have you been a good girl or a bad girl?
Well, kind of, we had fun and kind of, we did some art and we've been at project. I've been good at school a little bit, but not that much. But mommy, but we've been playing and like 3 times I played with him. But I see.
Just giving you guys an update. The kids are in bed. Makeup is gone from around my nose, but I'm about to wash it off in a second. The kids are in bed, and I'm waiting for them to go to sleep. I'm hoping they go to sleep in like the next hour or so. I'm trying to go to sleep. I'm tired. I want to lay down. I want to go to bed. So hopefully they do, so I can wrap all this, lay down, call it a night. So I'm gonna check in with you guys, let you guys know what's going on here momentarily. Hey guys, 9:40. I look crazy. Took my makeup off. I'm just now wrapping presents. I've only gotten as far as those wish me luck, because I don't even remember what I bought at this point, and I'm so freaking tired that I just want to hurry up and finish edit this vlog. Alright guys, it is 11 o'clock and I still have this on my face, so I'm gonna wash this off and I'm gonna go to bed. These kids will probably honestly be up any minute. My mom is gonna come wake me up at 12 so I can help her wrap her gifts. So I just want to say good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe as always. And I will see you guys tomorrow.